Hello everyone, welcome to the channel again, and today's video is about how to use some indicator that at least showing you what every trader should know, which is the trend. So I've obviously everybody heard of trend is your friend, but we still get a little bit distracted when it comes to the trend. So in this video I will be showing how to use it, and it's simple as 1, 2, 3. First of all, when the market opens, we want to give it time to see how the market is doing. As you can see, I'm on Finviz now, and in Finviz, which is the free tools or website, if you see, everything seems to be red. Basically, market, it seems to be red, even though there are some greens, but mostly market is red. So that's one of the way to interact with the market. Now if you go to home and if you go down here, you can see what the market is doing. As you can see, um, Dow Jones is in the red with 300 points, and S&P 500 is also red, 1% down with 98.50 points down, and Nasdaq 100 is almost 583 points down, which is 2%, almost 3%. So we know the overall market is red, and also the trend most likely in some stock that you going to trade in is red. So here I'm going to show you the indicator that shows you, or at least gives you confirmation on what the market is doing. So in trading view, as we can see here, I am on trading view and I just pulled out any stock. So here, most active stock that I'm looking at, and every one of them is basically trending down, especially a big cap company. So but in order to actually see if the trend actually going down or up, we're gonna go to 30 minutes, and then we have a big picture of 5 days or 10 days moving. As we can see here, we are here trending up, and now we are in a downtrend, moving down here. So but there is an indicator that you can use, and I just added it here. It's called multi-kernel regression, which is right here, and when you add this, it gives you overall view of the trend. So as you can see, the trend is down here, the trend is up, and it differentiates by the color of the line up here. So as you can see in here, the trend started reversing towards upwards. Now we are seeing the conversion again, and we'll see the trend is heading down, and by saying that means this area right here, trend is switched, and now we are heading down. As you can see, this is where the trend is perfectly shown, and we can see the trend is definitely going down, and overall market, the trend is down. Meta is down, Nvidia is down, Apple is down. But if it's hard to differentiate the trend for some of you who might have a problem with I guess recognizing a trend, this is one of the way by using that indicator. So I hope that video helps those who having problem with finding a trend, at least in a direction. And the good thing about indicator, it gives you alert here if the trend is switched, so you can buy. As you can see, buy here and sell here, and it's perfect for swing traders, so they can see in couple days or day or two what trend they are looking at. So hopefully that video helps. If so, don't forget to share and like the video and subscribe for video like this, and I hope you get benefit from it. Thank you.